How to use remote desktop connection in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open remote desktop connection. Then in computer, type in your IP address and press on username and type in your username. After that, you can simply click on connect at the bottom, which will open this kind of screen. In here, click on Don't Ask Me Again for connections to this computer. Make sure there's tick mark. After that, press on Yes at the bottom. After you have pressed on Yes, it will simply show you this page as it is connecting. After it's connected, you are good to go. This is how you use remote desktop connection on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.